This is a Vinogradsky column, which is filled with sludge originating from the pond behind me. In this column, photosynthetic bacteria are developing, which are producing biomass out of sunlight and CO2. These bacteria we are using in the lab. Microbes are actually the smallest organisms, but they have an incredible diversity and can cope with so many different environments, and this I find very fascinating. In principle, we are trying to take those organisms which are developing in such consortia and transfer this into into a technical environment. And the aim is that those organisms produce value-added compounds and energy carriers, starting from sunlight, CO2 and water. And we're producing different chemicals, but our key goal is actually to produce hydrogen in the end. So I guess one of our key findings in the recent years was that we are able to cultivate microbial consortia, artificial consortia, in our bioreactors in a stable and continuous way. And we managed to feed those consortia and make an alcohol. And for me, this is a kind of proof of concept. This idea is really working. We develop systems which are independent of fossil carbon, of fossil fuels, if you want to say so, and produce value-added compounds in an environmentally friendly way. And there I think we can contribute a lot. So one of our main topics at the moment is climate change, but there are enough people, and also very powerful people, who say this is all fake news, it's not true. Why do they say that? Because it has implications for our daily life, for economy, which are perhaps not so nice, right? It makes things a bit more complicated. We need to change in order to be able to live on this planet also in 100 years from now on. And out of this context, science has a difficult standing sometimes.